All right. What are you doing, Junior? Talia. We got two Great Pyrenees. We got a boy and a girl. They are guardian animals, and they're there to protect the livestock. We got them out here with the goats, so they're socializing with the goats. They're puppies, so they will learn what they need to guard. We got chickens, so I gotta build another run for the chickens so they can socialize more with the chickens. So there they go, they're beautiful dogs. It's a boy named Max and a girl named Adelaide. My wife came up with that.